Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to use Google Slides. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint, also Google Slides, looks like kinda Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is like working in your PC, and Google Slide is working with online. Like you have collaborate with your friends, family, with your colleague in the same project over the internet, and almost not that much features available like whatever things available in Microsoft PowerPoint, but at least there is a minimum required for the making a presentation or etc. Almost everything is there. So first of all, let me share with you how you open Google Slide. First of all, obviously you should have a Gmail account, and Google Slide a Gmail account product. When you sign in your Gmail account, you're going to see these three line. Simply click over there, scroll all the way down, and you're going to find here something says slide. If you're using slide for always, you can just hold it and bring over this quick launch area. So for the next time when you need Google Slides, you just click over here and then scroll down. Also you can bring more upper side, so it will be easy for you to access Google Slide. So first of all, obviously you should have Gmail account, then you can use Google Slide account. So I am going to use this Google Apps, and then we're going to find here slides. So simply click over there, slides, and this is the Google Slides skin, how exactly looks like, and it's a vertical. You can easily modify it. You can do modify with your collaborate with your friends and family or colleague. Here is the Google Slides, how it looks like. If you decide to make a fresh new blank presentation, you can click this plus icon. Also there is a bunch of templates available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this template. So when you click this template, this is going to be loaded, and you can see this template is loaded successfully. Now you can easily remodify it to however you want, and you can see it looks like kind of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's in vertical, which is Google Slide. Now here is the different tools is available for you to customize these slides. Let me go this new tab, and let me go again here in slides, and let me choose a blank presentation. This is how a blank presentation looks like. So here is the preloaded by Google. You can choose any template, or if you make a new template, this is going to be looks like kind of Microsoft PowerPoint. Here is your slides. If you decide to do something with this slide, you can just simply do it here. Let me share it to by step by try to share it to a quick guidelines how you can create a presentation and share it to friends and family, or do some modification in this Google Slides. Here you can see I have a slides. Let me give here a slides name. First of all, you can see here my upcoming project, and then I just click here. This is the name for my Google Slide, and I have successfully saved the name. You can just bring your mouse anywhere, that's going to be saved automatically. Whatever activities you're doing in this Google Slides, everything going to be saved automatically. You no need to even click save, and also all will be appear whatever slides you made. If you go here this plus icon, if you sign in your same Gmail account, you're going to see all your slides going to be appear here. You can easily remodify it anytime in the cloud. Let me go here, this my blank project. here you can see this is looks like Microsoft PowerPoint. If you decide to create new slide, just hold it with your mouse right over here and right click over there and then click here new slide, or you can click your keyboard Ctrl+M to create new slide. Now here's the things you can see. This is the slide 1 and this is the slide 2. So you might be have many slides. You might be notice which one you selected. Obviously you're going to see there is a blue color is appear kind of looks like, and this is the slide you have selected. Let me create here again, right click over there. You can also make here duplicate slide. Also, if you decide to delete any slide, just right click over there. You can easily delete the slide if you want. Now I made duplicate. If you decide to delete, you can go right click over there and you can click here delete to delete any particular slide. Now here is the things you can see. This is the slides, and here if you decide to type anything, you can simply type here. For example, let me make here how to, and then here I type here something Google slide, and then this is the kind of looks like Microsoft PowerPoint. Now this text, if you decide to remodify it, make it bold or make it larger or make it left, right, etc. This is like a basic things we all know how to do these things. If you decide to delete any element from here text box, you can just choose it and you can press your keyboard delete button, and that's going to be delete. So this is really quite interesting. So you can see I had deleted all this text box from this slide. If I go slide 2, this is the slide 2 and this is the slide 3. Now here is the things. If you decide to create new slide, also you can click this plus icon to create new slide. If you decide to go here to choose a different layout for each slide. And now here you can, if you decide something you made by mistakenly, you decide to go Ctrl Z, like we go in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or etc. We just click this back button to go return back, or we can go redo or undo button by right Ctrl Z. So you can see I had just go back and I again return back. So this is the basic things in Microsoft this slide which is Google slide. And here is the things we can see. This is a bunch of options appear like file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, a lot of things available. From your file you can go here, share or create new presentation, or open any file, import slide, or make a copy, email, or download this slide as a PowerPoint, or etc. A lot of things is available. If you go here edit, you're going to see like things in undo, redo, cut, copy, paste without formatting, delete, duplicate, select all, find and replace. If you go here view, present or motion, thimble, a lot of things is there. You can just read and write. If you had anything like insert any element in your slide, you can choose here image. You can upload images from your computer or search in web or drive photos or by URL or even by camera. You can also add audio, you can also add video and etc. A lot of things available in this section. You can see here this is tools, add-ons and help section. Now here in the right side we're going to see something say present to meeting or like start presentation. If you want to see the presentation like a preview, you can just click here present from beginning, and that's going to be appear the presentation. Actually this is a totally empty slide, nothing to do over here. So if you want to go skip, exit from this presentation, just simply click in your keyboard skip button to go back your presentation. Now here's the things, you can share these slides with your friends and family. I'll go here in later on. Now if you decide to make any transition, you can do here. For example, here's the things, something say transition from each slide to another slide. If you decide to make any transition, you can simply choose here. And how you would like to mention this transition fast, medium or slow, whatever you want, you can easily choose it. Also, you might be wondering how to know which slide have transition. You can see there is a beautiful icon, which is the transition icon, kind of motion icon. That means this slide has a transition. If you decide to remove the transition, you can go over here and you can make here a none. So this is the things. And also you can choose, go here theme, you can easily choose any theme you want. You can see my whole entire slide is whenever I choose any theme, that is appear here. This is really quite interesting. Now let me close it, and here is the things. You can change a background, you can choose any background if you want, or if you decide to change the layout each slide, you can easily choose. That's going to be appear that layout. And now the thing is how we can insert a picture. Let me share it too. If we have a picture, just click here insert and go here image, and let me go here upload from my computer, and let me choose a picture and let me click here open. Now you can see this picture is appear here. You can easily move this picture anywhere you want. You can resize the picture how you would like to. If you decide to add a video clips, you can also do that. Go here inside and click here video. You can directly select any video from YouTube or by URL or by Google Drive. Let me make here football. Because this picture is related football, and let me make a search, and you're going to see there is a bunch of football videos appear. You can easily choose it and click here select, and you're going to see that video clips is going to be appear here. Most advantageous features in Google Slide, you can collaborate with your friends, family, colleague who is not here. He is maybe around the world, anywhere. He can also join with your slide, and you can give him some tasks to edit or remodify it or review the slide. So for that, you need to click here the share icon, and then here if you decide to share with your friends, for example, let me type here my friend's ID, and then it's going to be appear his ID. If you decide to add more email, you can easily type here email address. Also you can type here please edit these things. Okay, so and then you can choose here do you want to give him view or commentator or editor. I'll give him editor, and then I would like to make here send. So he will get a notification, he will get to receive an email from me and these details about this slide. Also you can click here this share link. You can also share this link with your any social network, wherever you want. You can click here the first of all change setting, and you can make here, if you choose here editor, and then if you decide to give him the link, you can just simply click here copy the link, and you can easily share anywhere with any social network, or send him SMS or etc., and they can directly access this link, and they can edit this or view whatever access you give, and then you can make here done. If you decide to remove the person, you can just simply click edit, and then you can make him honor. If you decide to remove him, you can just simply remove and click here save. So this is the most advanced features in Google Slide. You can work with globally, or you can share your project with anyone around the world, and they can view it, they can edit it, or they can give you suggestion. So this is how I just try to share with you the basic or little bit guidelines about Google Slide. Hopefully it might be helpful. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.